just got everything packed up from the last hunt there. It was a good shoot. We had about 5 hours shooting in the morning. We had prior obligations in the afternoon to get to, but yeah, it was a full moon. And as you say, if you can't hunt the moon, you got to hunt the weather. And the birds, they flew in the morning, but the afternoon shoot probably would have been a lot more, there would have been a bit more result if it had stayed a bit longer. But unfortunately, it is what it is. We still managed to have a good beat down, so yeah, watch along and see what you think, and yeah, hope we did it right.
Cut them when you're ready, cut them. Cut them. They got on top of us pretty quickly, those.
Cool, cool, cool.
Keep going, go, go, go.
Who's shooting?
I'll shoot.
I'll shoot.
Into them, into them. Second shot. Second shot, kill shot.
The other one ran off and hit the spring.
Get those ones.
Just like that.
2 down.
That's it.
Don't wallop it.
Yep.
Alright,